Confederation of African Football, you try to as a CAF, or the calendar for 2025-2026. CAF Confederation Cup no abetudwa. Na teams are likely say Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Any omobeshi ano nyina no ewa ha me dey bro in this particular episode. This week the agenda is against Accra Folk in the President Cup. China nyame adoma na 1st of July. But for 1st July no say no is Tuesday could see Thursday holiday no you two ekoshe baby fufuro so enti no holiday na nka wose nka eba so china no omotu holiday no akoshe weekend yes saturday here enti I think say Friday mum na be holiday na game na aba so weekend no details and explanations ewa ha ya the Asia and the Super 24 TV no so now Kotoko board chairman and as an interim chairman of South Africa what's that in the Canada I did call Canada no but the one some kakra no Asia no fear ha na ye ko ye nim kakra me pacho Asante Kotoko international reaction no join ye ndi kasubo mo 0247 107260 0247 107260 na fi ye ndi kasubo na ye nchecha adwen as far as Kotoko Hunsem is concerned, we are discussing and the date no 29th of June 2025. And Sana Yebura into the stories proper. Let's take this message as a light for our path. If nothing about God moves you, nothing about you moves God. If nothing about God moves you, nothing about you moves Him. So be any what a move you about God minia. Reflect. What? If nothing about God moves you, Master, be careful. Your self-assessment, your self-evaluation, then reflect. Because if nothing about God moves you, you may be sitting on a time bomb, to be real honest. Yes. So this is the message for our light for our power for today, 2025, June 29. After young caught into the stories proper. Asante Kotoko board chairman if it's South Africa to say no only team no about prepare. Then now about President Cup New Year, then go back to South Africa. But unfortunately I was Canada. Information I memensa kind say the back Bema Bako graduation United Canada. Neba graduation. It was all the support in the BBI command balance. Currently, as we speak, the board chairman of Asante Kotoko Canada, a football related issue, but a personal and private. Now, Umubusa says Justice Blay says, and now Justice Blay for now is a goner. So let's forget about it. Let's move on and statement being penny for the baby and let's accept it and move on. That's on Justice Nkuku Blay. Yes, Empecé can send baby regarding his departure and the insensema a develop around it. Now and now the National Circles Chairman Asante Kotoko and the IMC a meeting the agenda for the meeting was whether to use Fabu census. Any date poti ya to National Circles Abano. National Circles Abano say recent years na ye Christopher Damenya ne time na aso but I was here fufuro but chini na nsem kiti be last year na nka was here to Abano still intime to but I feel there answer the league the best say was he kuyi national chairman for Asante Kotoko Circles na mpanyifo di ho abobo ene ate ko say what's a circles no eyeku enye Kotoko supporter bia na join the circle and circles abano o ye circle member na wo kada ene wo so koto abani bi sana tete na ye no and mpanyifo say no this time around circle no it is the recognized supporter body of Asante Kotoko. So far as Fabu census now, Kotoko supporters bi twa sika ma fa abu census no. Saa mo twa sika ma fa abu census through Kotoko fa abu census na o register fa abu census ni ya. Ye mo makonya na o ntimi nto circles about wo ni bi. Eno ho abobo ene ate poi. Ene no mu dey but meeting no. Oman reach an agreement and o matter to share that. It's me so who the say idea we need beboa. Wa wo fa abu census. Utua no wo akonya se obekwa akoto circles abani bi. Nti ho abon na na omugusu edi ho abobo. Ene ate poi. Now enough of circles now. You hope you said they are going to take the best decision for the club so far as this election is concerned. Now, my main Kyle, the circles about to ono. Impanyifo miensa, ene yo muti se yento abamomo. The odika eye Solomon Ofosuare, former management member. Solo eka omo say yento abamomo no mombe Kotoko circles chairman national ena Benjamin Obeng enso eka ho former Asante regional circles chairman Obeng odiagro boasepa ono so eka ho Obeng secretary Benjamin Obeng secretary within the ring bell ono so unity ena senior man baako a ene ne wa ha o say SB enso eka ho a o say ento abama no nti we de mo amokoto aba no mo hwem na mo nto abapa me campaign mo bia de obebe bia no de support ebema no na ma me nko CAF na me ma details explanation we CAF say yenka emma mo nte say Asante Kotoko supporters preliminary rounds no ebe shase 19th to 21st September. First leg no. Si ye team Kotoko ne beba match no first leg ne beba so 19th to 21st of September. Na second leg na ba so 26th to 28th September. Yenti ne yansha no so. And na second preliminary round no so beba so October 17th and October 19th. Na second round no about so 24th October. Yes, and also any information kakra Asante Kotoko now we have Asante Kotoko Asante Kotoko enti eno ne prelims no enti by 26 October ni abo prelims na wie na fe group stage na shase 21st November group stage na shase 21st November so Asante Kotoko na afe 28th November Asante Kotoko 28th November group stage no March day 2 ebe shase March day 2 the shase 21st na March day 2 ekoso 28 na March day 3 ekoso January 20th na March day 4 30th January March day 5 February 6 February March day 6 13 February na quarter finals abaso 13th to 15th March quarter finals next year 2026 13th to 15th March na semi final no about so 10th to 11th April na on the final no ebebo so 24th May 2026 yes no na ma mefa teams a qualify so far ye kwa group stage no Asante Kotoko ye say no ye koye prelims no ye bo prelims 2 games we are near group stages teams o ma qualify so far ensu ni Etoile de Sahel a qualify Stade de Tunis Wydad Casablanca Olympique de Safi Zamalek Al Masry USM Algiers CR Belouizdad, Premio de Agosto, Kabusto, San Pedro, Afad, Azam, Sindinga Blasters, Kaiser Chief, Stellenbosch, Abia Warriors, Zesco United, Jibula FC, Asante Kotoko. Yes, yani no. Asante Kotoko. AS Utoyo, Cotton FC, Frovioro Maputo, FC 15 de Agosto, Royal Sport, Siri Mabona, Royal Leopards, Bantu FC, Douans Gradin, Casto FC, Blackman Warrior, Degeda FC, Bosudelescas, Elect Sports, Bantal FC, Forestal FC, Jabal FC, AS Police, AS Police, and a neck. How many teams are on my qualifier? Likely say, yani Omubeshia, or either prelims, and I say qualify group stages. So this is it for Enedian. Me do be see another Dawasi be brave. Me call long time.